Genuine Yamaha covers like this WaveRunner one behind me are one of the more popular accessories we sell every single year. But we do get an awful lot of questions about what's the easiest way to fit it. The great news is it's a really easy 3-step process, and I'll walk you through it right now. So once you have it out of the box, the first thing you want to look for are these tabs, which are for your handlebars. That's the first place we'll start. It's easy after that. So step 2 is fitting it to the nose. Now, because this is a genuine Yamaha accessory, it's perfectly built to suit your model. So all you have to do is pull it down over the front and make sure this section goes over the nose. And step 3 is once you've got the nose fitted, all you do is just follow around the edges and tuck the cover down as you go. So we'll pull down here. The back part's nice and elasticized, so it's going to fit over your rear deck. Slide it in behind your step. That's going to pop back up, hold it in place, you're ready to go.